So now it gets a little more interesting. That's a basic system. Now let's talk about an intelligent system. An intelligent system has a couple of other aspects. You see, the cook actually has an intention in his mind, a goal. He wants to make a bowl of soup, which hopefully tastes good. He is a controller of this system in the sense he's the one who's assessing, is it coming along well, does it taste good? He may be manipulating it, so he's sort of the brains behind this. And then he's got sensors. He may taste it, he may smell it, he may do a set of things to it. And when you put this together, this is what you would learn in a 13-week course at MIT in control systems theory. You basically have a set of a feedback system where you have a goal, you have the output, you measure the output with your sensors, the controller makes an assessment, and then it manipulates the input, and you keep doing this until you get what you want. Is this clear? Okay. So that's called control systems engineering, by the way. And these are the terms that are used in this field. And a couple of examples are, this is your home thermostat. The reason you have nice heat or nice cooling in your home is because of the thermostat. And if you look at this, you can see all those elements. And you want 78 degrees. There's the output. There's the input into which is a hot water that goes into your heating system, which stores the heat. There's a controller. And then there's the actual temperature that you get. Okay? Now, these systems, and by the way, you have a goal, and you're constantly modulating around that goal until you get what you want. And that's the foundations of an intelligent system. Another example, which some of you may use, is a cruise control system. But something that we all rely on, particularly on modern aircraft, is the autopilot. All right, so what I just covered was control systems engineering. Now, if we go back to this terminology, and the point that we're going to come to is that the Siddhas and the Ayurvedic sages who came up with this, they actually had a fundamental way of looking at the world. As someone else said, the goal, in the next discoveries that are going to come is to come from tools. They actually developed a tool to actually understand the body. So everyone's heard of the word karma, right? Yes? The word is used in many, many different ways, but if you actually look at it, it actually means action. It's actually input. It's what are the things that you do if you have a goal. It could be running, exercising, etc. When you take on an action, your body actually changes its behavior. The vata, pitta, kapha elements change, and those are the forces of transport, the forces of conversion, and the forces of structure or storage. The output of your action, some of you may have heard this word called karma phal, which is the fruits of karma. Okay, the results of your action.